Expand 2 minus x all to the power minus 3 up to x cubed, giving the valid range. So let's have a look at this. Here we need to get it into the form 1 plus the input x to the power n, and we've got a 2. So we need to simplify this bracket. So 2 minus x to the power minus 3. Well, let's simplify it. Something to the minus 3. Take the 2 outside a bracket then, and that will be 1 minus x. We need an over divide by 2, don't we? So that we get the 2 minus the x. That's what we've got there. Properties of indices, 2 to the minus 3 times this bracket, 1 minus x over 2 to the minus 3. There we go. So basically we've got an eighth, 1 over 8, 1 minus x over 2 to the minus 3. So let's do that then. So 2, well, let's just write down what it is. It's 1/8, and it's going to be 1 minus x over 2 to the power minus 3 is 1/8. Now we can expand this bracket using the binomial theorem. It's in the appropriate form with a 1 in the first position. The input x is minus x over 2. The value for n is minus 3. So it's 1 plus nx, 1 plus n minus 3 times the input x, minus x over 2, plus n minus 1, the input x squared over 2, factorial, and we need to go up to the x cubed, so we need one more, so I'm going to try and squeeze it in here. n minus 1, n minus 2, input x cubed over 3 factorial plus dot dot dot, and that's the series in question. So what have we got then? That's equal to 1/8, 1 plus 3 over 2x, or 3x over 2, and then we've got 4 minuses here, so that's going to be another plus, and we've got the 4, we've got 12 over 4 times 2 is 8, 12 over 8. One of the 2's will cancel to leave 6 over 4, and then 3 over 2. Yeah, this 4 will cancel with the 2 2's here. So we're going to have 3 over 2, aren't we? 3 over 2 again. Lots of x squareds this time. And now the 3 factorial. Okay, so again we'll get 6 minuses here making a plus. And then the 3 times 4 is 12, so cancel that with the 6 here to leave 2. This 2 will cancel with one of these 2's to leave 4 underneath. So I'll put that there. So what have we got then? So on the top we just got 5. And underneath we've just got a 4 now. 5 over 4 x cubed. Now run through the eighths. We've got 1/8 first term, then 3x over 16. And then we've got 3x squared over 16. And then 5 over 8 falls to 32. 5x cubed over 32. Now the valid range, here's the input x, so that would be minus x over 2 modulus is less than 1. That tells us then that minus x over 2 needs to be between 1 and minus 1. And then times by 2 all the way through. Minus 2 is less than minus x is less than 2. Times by minus 1, 2 is greater than x is greater than minus 2. Or reading from right to left, minus 2 is less than x is less than 2.